So this is our biggest upgrade to date. I feel like I've been saying that a number of times over the last kind of couple of months, but this really is a massive one for us. Our content is produced in English as a standard. That is because that's what I speak. That's who we speak to for the most part. But there is the absolute realization that the 4.2 billion internet users on this planet, 25% of them are English speaking. So there are 75% where there is a language barrier. And what we want to make sure that we are as a platform is that we are global and the barriers to learning education are as low as possible to increase that consumption. Now, what we have launched this week is a new video player that is a multilingual video player. So we are now producing our content in up to 10 languages when we're using our digital avatar technology. So if you are watching a video, what you may have is the option to consume that content in a language that is not English. So all you need to do, whether it's on the website or through an app, is go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and what you will see is a little pill there that allows you to select one of 10 languages. We're producing content in Hindi, Spanish, German, English, Arabic, Italian, Mandarin Chinese, plain Japanese, Portuguese, European, and French. And all you need to do is go and collect that pill, click on the language you would like to listen to. We're going to go for Chinese here, and it will upload that video and run that video in its original language format, which is Chinese here. Now, what you'll see in a second is you'll see this young lady. All the content has been translated into Chinese. She is speaking Chinese. We also have the ability to switch on closed captioning if we wish, and we've got closed captioning Chinese in there as well. Now, I'm just going to be quiet for a second. I'm going to put the sound on and allow you to listen to what she's saying.
科学到底是什么？分析师为什么要关注它？让我们简单的解释一下。复杂性科学的核心是研究由许多相互关联的部分组成的系统，与传统的科学方法不同。传统科学
Now, of course, this is very new technology. It is good technology. It will get better, but it's something that we have road tested with local and native language speakers just to make sure the content is up to purpose. But we want to hear your feedback. And that feedback is something that we can pass on to our developers. So just drop me an email. My name's Jeff Robinson. I'm the founder of theinvestmentanalyst.com. My email address is jeff@theinvestmentanalyst.com. And that feedback will be priceless to us. And we would love to feed that on. But we're coming from a situation where most training content is delivered in English with no flexibility to break down these language barriers. I think this is a massive step in the right direction to have these barriers to learning lowered as low as possible. So thanks a lot for listening. We'll speak to you soon. Cheers then.